Good evening, guys. So I wanted to get on here just for a couple of minutes and show you a tip that I learned, or a trick, depending on how you look at it. But I thought this was really interesting in the fact that there are so many people doing this, and I had no idea it even existed. So I really wanted to share it with those, well, with all of you guys, but especially with the some of you newer oilers who just got your desert mist diffuser. Thumbs up, or you can send me a heart if you are just loving this thing. But one of the things about your diffuser is you have it plugged into a wall, okay? And you don't want to move it, and you don't necessarily want to keep a bottle of water next to it, or you have a bottle and your water bottle is empty, so you have to fill it. Well, the trick that I learned, I'm going to show you this. You have to excuse all my boxes, but here is my desert mist diffuser. We'll pretend that it's attached to the wall. I actually have it moved away because of this, but we are getting ready for bed here. This piece just comes off. For you guys that are new and that are just unboxing your diffusers, this piece just comes off, and then you have this piece that comes off. It does have a little indentation. That indentation matches up with this indentation here, and hopefully you guys can see that. So when you're putting it on, if you look for that indentation, those two should go right together, and that should go on just snug, just like that. But for filling this bad boy up, I learned a new trick. So your lid, you can plug this hole, and you know I've got this inner ring in here. You can fill that inner ring up with water. So we're going to go over here. I'm going to try to take you with me to my wonderful messy kitchen. Probably got a split glance of my husband in the background there. And we are going to just fill this up with water. Just like that. And we are filling it up. I'm going to kind of see if I can angle this down. Just to this inner brim here, this inner ridge here. And then we're going to take this and we're going to carry it back over to our diffuser. So we're not moving our diffuser. And you can pour if you choose, or you can just release your finger like this. Dun, 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 dun. And that amount of water, just like that. Whoop, got a little bit on the ring because I filled it just a little too much. And I want to show you this before I put the lid back on. Let's see if we can get a good look at this. I can angle this down. Do you see this water in here? See where that's moving? It is right on the fill line, guys. So it is a perfect match. So if you have done this, I want you to give me a thumbs up so that I know that you've actually done this, or comment that you've actually done it this way, because I'm going to give you a frowny face back for not sharing it with me. But anyways, I just thought it was a really neat trick, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So it's a very quick way to fill your diffuser up. Fills it right up to where you need it to go. Again, you match this little arch piece right here on the inner side with the piece that's on your diffuser here that's indented. Set that in there. Don't forget to add your oils. Remember, less is more. You can always, 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 always add more oils, but you cannot take oils out. So start with just a few drops. I would recommend 2 to 3. And if you feel like it's not enough, you can always add more oil to it, but you can't take the oils back out. So always remember, less is more. Put your oils in there and your lids, and it just pops on like that, and you are ready to go for the night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little short tip, and I don't know if anybody has any questions. I see Mary's on here. Mary, I don't know if you've done this. Summer, have you done this? Julie, did you know this? Do you have this diffuser? If you don't, it is an amazing diffuser and you need to get one. Several different colors, but my favorite is the candle flickering option. I think it's really pretty. So hope you enjoyed this tip. Feel free to leave comments below it, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks as I learn more and share them with you. All right, guys, have a good night.